Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the Forex Trading. So in today's episode guys, I have the best strategy for you that can make you up to $500 every single day, and I'm going to be showing you how step by step on how you can be able to use this strategy. I'm going to use this strategy also showing you the forecast for the whole of next week on 3 pairs. So guys, if you are new around here, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video guys. If you have got a chance to watch this video today, just analyze, apply the same analysis that I'm going to apply to my trading view, and then look out for those trades for the next week. So let's start it. So the first pair we are looking at is Euro USD. We are looking at Euro USD. So we are going to apply only price action. What is price action? Price action is basically, looking at charts and then applying, trying to guess where price is going to go by just only using technical analysis without choosing these other indicators and all that. So we're just going to use lines, divergence and all that guys. So as you can see traders, the first thing you always want to go to the daily time frame. When you come to the daily time frame, you want to identify the trend of the market. So a downtrend market comes down as it's forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, until we see a reversal. As you can see, we had a reversal at this point, and this was last year around October. Now we had price pushing back up, as you can see. So now this is an uptrend market. This is an uptrend market, as you can see. So if we connect our line from here down here to up here, you're going to see that price is currently respecting our zones, as you can see. So we're going to connect a line from here to give this as an uptrend market. So since we have an uptrend market now, we are going to be looking for buys. So we connect our line from here. As you can see, we have connected these 2 points right here, as you can see traders. So when you connect these 2 points right here, you can see where price is currently at. Price is currently at a reversal zone, as you can see. So we mark out another turning point, as you can see. So this here is a turning point right there, in there. So this is what we have. So this is what we have traders. As you can see here, this is resistance. This is resistance. Now this is support here, and then price is currently there. So we want price to bounce off here. Now we are going to zoom into our small time frame so that we can see, okay, what do we have in there? Because here we see more of a downtrend here, but the overall trend of the market is an uptrend market. As you can see, this is an uptrend market. Now since we have a downtrend market like this, now what we are going to do is we are going to draw it out. Now guys, since we have this downtrend market on our small time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we're going to draw it out and then identify any reversal point, because right now currently price is at a reversal point. We expect price to be reversing at any time. Now what do we have? First of all, we have this trend line. When you draw your trend line, your nice trend line like this, you can see that price is currently, it has been dropping in a downward way. So, and I see something else here. So I just draw there my other line, just like this, as you can see. So when I connect this line here, so price is giving me a falling wedge. Price is giving me a falling wedge, as you can see. And whenever I have a falling wedge, we look for divergence in the market. So we're going to apply the RSI and look for divergence. So the RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, as you can see. So when I apply our RSI, we have divergence. What is divergence? Divergence is when you have price coming down like this, and on our indicator I have price going up just like this. This is divergence. So let me mark out divergence so that you can see it better. So this is my divergence, as you can see. So when I zoom in very well, you're going to be able to see my divergence, as you can see there. We have this happening here and here. So this is a sign of reversal. And also divergence tells us that here pressure is coming as it's forming lower lows, but when it reached here, it didn't form a lower low on our indicator here. It formed the high low, meaning indicating for reversal. So here we just expect price to break out and retest. We expect price to break out and retest. So now this is another important point right here in the market. So probably we're going to be waiting for price to break that zone and then take our trade. So whatever I'm going to do, I want price to break this part here. So I want to take my trade here. So I can use a buy stop. This is what I'm looking at. As you can see traders, I'll put my stop loss just below there. So I'm waiting for price to touch back down here, come back here, and then takes me into profits guys. This is price action, but I only apply the divergence because divergence is one of the key things that shows you that price is going to reverse. So this is our trade, guys. And for my confirmations and entries, I always use buy limits, sell limits, buy stops, and sell stops. Because even when you look at your 1 hour time frame traders, you can see price is currently at a good state right now. So just want another push in here. This is on here, and then we start seeing a push to the upper side. We can take our trade from there. We can even take our trade from down here, and we'll be risking only just a few pips traders. So again, this is summary of the Euro USD trade. As you can see, we have a falling wedge, which indicates for reversal. And another thing we have, when you come to your daily time frame, have this black line that is coming from down. This line here coming from down to up here, this is also a reversal, meaning every time price touches that, it bounces off. So guys, when you're trading with such a strategy, you're looking to make more than 100 pips. So depending on how much lot size and how many pips are targeting in the market, with 100 pips with one lot size, you can make $500. If you're someone who can hold even for longer, this can give you more than 200 pips. So you can make from $500 to any amount that you want, guys, as long as you're patient for your trade to work out the way you want. And you can see just here, whenever price touches it, you see, bounces off. So traders, this is major. But again, if price breaks with momentum, this is on here, and drops, we shall be looking for sells. You never chase price, you wait for price to come to your zone, and then you execute. So traders, our next pair is gold. But even before I say anything, this is our daily time frame, and you can see gold literally looks just the same as our Euro USD. So I like to trade gold and Euro USD. As you can see, they almost have like literally the similar, So the first thing I'd mark out this is on here. This is our uptrend to indicate that price is an uptrend. So if you're in an uptrend, we are looking for buys. As you can see, whenever price reaches here, it bounces off. As you can see, probably we expect a bounce off, a drop. But most of the times, when you go into the small time frame, price will tell you literally what it's going to be doing. So here we see price pushing to the downside, just like this. So meaning we're expecting a reversal, and price is currently at a reversal point just here. You can see, traders, price is currently at a reversal zone. So let's zoom into the 4 hour time frame and then see what price is giving us. So currently, guys, this is now our market. As you can see, we have price coming in a nice downtrend. And also, before I say anything, here we see divergence right here. So we are going to apply our simple indicator, which is called the RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index, so that we can see if you have divergence. So if you have divergence, you can even see price is currently at a major turning point right here. This is support, so meaning this is supposed to act as support for us. So I like to look for pin bar candles that show me reversal. So any pin bar that I'll see in here, I'll know that is my trade. But again, the strongest indicator is divergence. So when you apply your RSI, just like this, which is Relative Strength Index, just like this, price will tell you that we have divergence. So divergence is when you have price dropping down like this, as you can see, and then we have price coming up like this on our indicator. So this is even more perfect of a divergence than the divergence we had on the Euro USD. So you can see, traders, this is what we call divergence. This is happening in the same form. Again, here we have price forming lower lows, but here currently price didn't form this lower low. Price formed a high low, so probably indicating for reversal. And also, this is almost the same, guys. This is almost the same falling wedge, as you can see. This can also be a falling wedge, as you can see. So probably you expect price to break out, retest, and then we take our trade, guys. Again, this can give you from anywhere from 200 pips and above, even up to 500 pips. So whatever, depending on how much you are trying to get out of the market. But for me, if I'm to take this trade, I'll take the trade down here, put my take profit point right there. As you can see, I'm looking at making 700 pips from the market, and I'll only be risking just 50 pips. So if I'm targeting that number of pips, I'm going to be risking almost 50 pips. Even you can risk 100 pips, as you can see. So this is our trade, guys. But again, if price suppresses this zone here, it means we're going to be looking for sells. Again, I like to use what we call as buy limit. So I'm going to set my buy limit at this exact point here, or I'm going to even look into this zone right here, and I see the list point price touched. So this is the point right here, this point right here. So I'll put my sell buy limit, and then I wait for price to react off and then take me to profits. As you can see, traders, this is another trade that we are looking to take. Again, you can see price is just at a turning point. Remember, turning points, we base them off the daily time frame. So let's look at our last pair. This is GBP JPY. So GBP JPY is the simplest trade that I can see today, because price is literally just giving me what I want. So again, we look at the time frame, which is the daily time frame, to know the trend of the market. Currently in an uptrend market, as you can see, traders, this is simple to identify. This is an uptrend market, so we look for buys only in the forex market. So I'm going to look for my patterns. I like to look for patterns mostly on GBP JPY. So now, since I already see here an important point, also here I see an important point, so I'm going to zoom into the 4-hour time frame, just like this. When I do this, guys, I'm already seeing my important zones. So one of the important zones is, as you can see, price has been, it has respected this zone right here. So we currently have another zone right up here, this one right here. So what we have, traders, this is more of an ascending triangle. So an ascending triangle is an continuation pattern to the upper side. You can see here in an upward way, and then price is continuing to go up. So it gave us this nice pattern, as you can see. So currently, now what else we have? We have this consolidation that was happening at this zone right here. And then whenever we have consolidation, it means orders are being accumulated, so that we can see a push to the upper side, traders. So that's why you see now we have a breakout. That's why you see we have a breakout at our zone right here. So we expect a retest. So we're going to wait for a retest to come into the market, and then we take our trade. So when you take your trade here, guys, you're looking at making a huge number of pips, as you can see. So we can take our trade just down here in the middle right there, put our stop loss just there, and then we put our target up there, as you can see, traders. As simple as that. As you can see, there's nothing complicated. This is only price action, traders. This is only price action, as you can see. This is price action. So in the next this coming week, guys, these are pairs that you can apply the same analysis. Wait for price to give you what you want, wait for confirmations, and then take your trade. So right now, I'm waiting for a retest, and then I take my trade. The most important things in the forex market is discipline, consistency, having that hard to risk, because analyzing this is very easy. Price can even do what you want, but when you take your trade, you may be scared to hold your trade just because you have seen small profits and then you close automatically. And also, when the trade goes the other way around, guys, don't overhold your trade. Close it in that small loss, and then wait for another confirmation to enter another nice trade. And remember this, guys, a good trader is not judged by his wins. A good trader is judged by his losses. So whenever in the forex market and you make so much money, don't think you're a good trader. But you can judge yourself off the losses that you make. If your losses are small losses, it means you're a good trader. If your losses are small and your wins are big, it means you're a good trader. So don't be fooled by the people that keep on posting profits and they never post losses, and you think they're good trader just because they post good profits and all that. Traders, forex is just a mindset. It reveals the inner you. You can see this is JPY trade, guys. There's nothing hard about this. You can see, traders. So if you've enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next, guys. You can use this to make any amount, $500, any amount. I'll be doing a review of these some trades next week on weekend. So guys, I'll see you in my next.